Hey guys, Chris and
K
from C&K Reviews and Blogs. Today we're going to be reviewing the RV guards. So we're doing this video like this today just so you guys can actually see us. And if you're from the RV channel, welcome. This is our RV. Yeah. We're going to be installing these today. So these are going to be just for the cabinets. We've installed several other ones for the cabinets that we had, but the cabinets keep on either breaking or not.
That we have seen on the group. We have seen on the group of the different like cabinet holders, and I saw this one, and I'm wishing that that's the only cabinet holder because I already bought 3 different kinds of the cabinet to hold. So I'm hoping this one is the last one.
Yeah, I know. I've installed all 3 of them, and all 3 of them have been terrible. I mean, hopefully these are the winners. These look like they're a lot better than the other ones we've had. Hopefully these will just support. And these are actually going on the ceiling. So in the prior to this, which will show, we've had to drill a lot of holes and stuff. I do some woodworking, so I just filled them in and I've recoated them. If you guys want the actual color, I'll actually might put a picture in it of it on the video, or if not, I'll probably just bring it out and later on towards the end of the video and stuff, so you guys can see it. But we're basically gonna start in a minute, so you guys will see it. All right. Alrighty, guys. This is the continuation of our intro. So these are all of them laid out. We actually bought a 12-pack, but we just bought the 12-pack so we have extra ones in the future if they break or anything. But there's also a 5-pack and there's also a 6-pack, I believe, or there's a 2-pack and a 5-pack, and then the 12-pack we bought. Sorry about that. So I'm gonna start installing these. So they're not really hard. You just need a drill, and that's about it.
And the nails are already in there in the packet.
Yeah, the nails come in the box too. So we're gonna start by just lifting this up really quick, and I'm gonna start just by measuring where I want it. So I want it to rest here. So you gotta give it enough space so you can actually push it back. So you guys have to make sure that it's just like this. So when you actually go to take it off,
like bend a little bit.
It'll have enough bend so you can actually close it again. So I'm thinking about maybe like here should be good. So what you're gonna do now is you're just gonna slide this back, close this door, grab a screw, put it on the gun real quick, and then we're just gonna drill. So there it is. I'm just gonna try one for right now to see how it looks. So we're gonna open this thing back up again. So far so good. So let's test it out to make sure that it'll slide all the way back. Ooh, that slides back really crazy bit. But it does slide. It does slide back, just barely for me, which is good because
At least I need to hold.
I mean, I don't think you really need to hold it on, but it should be good.
No, like to hold it. So
this will basically be the way it is.
Yes.
You can just actually slide this up and slide this a little bit, or let me, like so, and it closes. I might be just installing one here, and then I'll do the other spots in a minute, and then we'll get back to you guys. Alrighty guys, so I just installed all of them. I just want to show you this one that I already installed. You see here how there's enough space for me to move it back, and it'll clear, and it will fall down. Not sure if you guys are seeing it right, but here, let me do it again. So right here, pop out, there's a gap, and it just slides, and then you close it. Now we move over to this end. This is the area where we did a lot of holes. See the holes right here? And yes, this is a mess. We just got back from camping a while back. We were gonna make a video there, but we didn't. But we just kind of just did whatever. So here are the holes. I already like filled some of these out a little bit, and I've started sanding them. I'm just gonna put the finishing stain on it, which the stain matches pretty well. And then you see here on this edge. So it's basically like a system that would just prop it up like so. But I like this one better because it's just less holes and less ridiculousness. So this one's the same way. You just slide back. It gives enough way to clear, and then it falls, and then it's good. And then same thing with this one. We have holes here, I want you to zoom in on this one so they can see. This is right here, one that I had already filled. This whole area, I believe it or not, when I did this whole area cracked. So I might need to repair this later on better. But I just did it like for the meantime. But this is actually stained right here. This is all the stain from here down is stained. Stains pretty similar. It's a tad bit darker, but if it works. So up here, I just did these two because I removed everything, and then up here was an old hole which it filled in pretty well and stuff. Just got to sand it again and then hit it with some more stain. But these are the holes that I was talking about, and we tried like 3 different ones. Well, 2 different other same setup hinges, and these so far these are the best ones that we've tried. I'm not sure who recommended them on the Coleman camper site, but thank you. They work actually a lot better than the other ones that were recommended to us. So we're just gonna close this up, and then that stops for this video. This is the end of this video. Thanks, guys. Alrighty, guys, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you're in the Coleman group, and we do appreciate it. If you're from Amazon and you're looking at these work pretty well. They support weight really well. Other thing I'm gonna say is just like, comment, just share, subscribe. We have a YouTube channel, and we're gonna try and do a lot of more camping stuff, and we also do unboxing videos for a lot of the stuff we purchase.
Yeah.
And that's about it for this one, guys. Thanks.